This is Lucas KNV Magneto. I'm about to bench test. I've got it clamped in a vise. I've got some cardboard that's padding it, so I have a jumper cable that's clamped on at this end and that end in order to make sure I have continuity, and I have my little continuity tester, so I have checked to make sure that I have continuity from the threads back to the body of the Magneto, and previously I checked to make sure I had continuity all the way from the center electrode of the spark plug back to the carbon brush inside here. I have the point set at 12 thousandths of an inch. Actually, that's on the number 1. The number 2 is probably more like 14 thousandths. These spark plugs are out of a 1957 Morgan that was running a few days ago when I drove it. They seem to be in fine condition. I have a screw drive tool here just to hold this plunger up to maintain the ignition timing in more or less full advance. And I've got a piece of hose and a piece of all thread here that's clamped in just to give me a flex drive. And next I'm going to connect it up and give it a spin and see if we get any sparks out of these plugs. I have a 0 to 2500 RPM electric drill here attached to the little homemade flex drive going to the input shaft. I'm going to turn it counterclockwise since that's the direction indicated on the arrow on the housing right there below the label on that vertical face. I have the spring clip in place on the pivot point of the points rocker arm there. Everything seems to be ready to go. I'll start at a low RPM and move to higher RPM. There we go. Looks like we're not getting anything at all. Okay, I double checked all the connections, made sure that my spark plug terminals were not getting anywhere near ground. I put the points cap back on just to make sure that the cam ring doesn't walk its way out, and I'm going to spin it up again. We'll watch for sparks again. Okay, we're going to try this again. We're going to pull out this and allow that plunger to go down, which will take us to full retard, just in case that makes any difference, and we'll run it up again here. Again, that was counterclockwise, and I will confirm that the plug bodies are grounded again to the Magneto post test.